farewell today. As per our agenda, now I would like to start from the starting. Now I would like to call upon Chief Guest Professor Asar Kumar Das, Vice Chancellor, Utkal University, Guest of Honor Professor Siva Prasad Adhikari, Vice Chancellor, Fakir Mohun University, Baleshwar, Professor Siva Prasad Adhikari, Vice Chancellor, North Odisha University, Baripada, Professor Deepak Kumar Behra, Vice Chancellor, Berhampur University, Advisor of Student Union, Professor Bhagirathi Panigrahi, Chairman PG Council, Professor Prasanta Kumar Padi, President of this function, Mr. Rakesh Kumar Sadangi, Vice President Jnanap Ranjan Sahu, General Secretary Price. Complete without a soothing and a beautiful song. So now I would like to call upon my fellow mates to come over the dais and they will present a beautiful song for us. Friends, please. इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा, हे शरया अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, हे शरया अल्लाह हे दाता, हे शरया अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, हे शरया अल्लाह हे दाता। preside over the rest meeting. Rakesh
Council Chairman Sir, Professor P.K. Padhi, to give the welcome address and introduction of the guest.
Mr. President, Sri Rakesh Kumar Sarangi, President of Barampur University Students Union, Mr. Pramod Senapati, Secretary of the Students Union, other office bearers of the Students Union, Advisor Professor Panigrahi, Associate Advisors Professor Samanta and Dr. Pradhan, Honorable Chief Guest Professor Das, Guests of Honor Professor Adhikari, Professor Misra and Professor Behra, all the three distinguished Vice Chancellors and including our Vice Chancellor, there are 4 Vice Chancellors here, distinguished guests, invitees, esteemed members of media, my dear colleagues, both teaching and non-teaching, research scholars, and my dearest students. As Chairman of the Postgraduate Council, it's my pleasure and privilege to deliver the welcome address towards the fag end of my tenure as the Chairman, which is going to be over on 31st of this month. I really feel privileged to be a part of this Golden Jubilee annual function of Barampur University Students Union for the session 2015-16. I extend my cordial welcome to all the guests, invitees, members of media and all of you for attending this function. Indeed, I am delighted to know that our students have taken this noble endeavor of inviting the creators of this university, for whom the university should feel proud today to be a part of this Golden Jubilee annual function. And they have also come out with an idea to felicitate the former Vice Chancellors, former Chairman PG Council, former Registrar, as well as the distinguished personalities from administration and police who have extended their support to us during these days. On this occasion, the Student Union also recognizes the presidents of the Student Union, the past presidents who have at different points of time led the Students Union. I welcome each one of them who have kindly responded to our invitation to receive the felicitation. In this function, we have 4 Vice Chancellors of different universities of the state who are gracing this function as chief guests and guests of honor. They are well known throughout the country for their academic and other accomplishments. Our chief guest is Professor Ashok Kumar Das, Vice Chancellor of Utkal University, the oldest university of the state. Professor Das is widely known as a scientist and for his contribution to research. He worked as a scientist in Bhabha Atomic Research Center, a prestigious national institution with international reputation, before assuming the coveted position of Vice Chancellor. He is known for his commitment to promote quality education and research in the state of Orissa. Our guest of honor, Professor